I needed easier access into the shower without slipping. So it had to be a lower wall to the side of the bath, and UDOOR were the only company who could satisfactorily offer it without total bath replacement that I could find. It's made a tremendous difference. I only have to step up now about 10 inches as opposed to 3 feet over the side of the bath, which makes all the difference to feeling secure and safe than it did before it was done. The installation was done when promised. The installer was very, very good. It's a perfect job. I couldn't find a single fault with it. He even refused cups of tea so that he could get it done quickly, and he was very conscientious. He cleaned up beautifully afterwards, which was very nice to see, and insisted that we check it and double check it before he left. The benefits is getting in and out of the bath is so much easier. I feel so much safer, truly, that when it was the original bath, there's always a danger when you stretch that you're going to slip on the bath floor or even on a mat. That's been totally removed. So that's just been a very good buy.